Where to get the panel loop presets from? Gumroad links. Oh yeah. Let me show you that. So go to ZBrush plugins, download center, and then down here, way down here. So up here is the new stuff. So this was the Z color we talked about. Meta quotes intersection masker is all brand new. But way down here under the employee created, there is panel loops preset. So you can download that and install it, which we talked about. You make text that wraps around a circle in ZBrush. Yes, you can. So for example, edit Z plugin. What are we doing? Text. So we can say new text and say new. Now, when you're wrapping something, I would say turn adaptive off so you get nice even geometry. And then when you go to subtool, we can turn this one off. So now wrapping, you can use your deformer like we were talking earlier, like bend arc. You can go through here and you can like bend it in a circle, in a complete circle or like a half circle, or you can kind of match whatever your thing is. Now, if you wanted it to follow a spline path, you would have to essentially go to auto groups and then do a group split and then make sure it's in the right order and then make sure their bounding boxes are all the same. So you might have to go through, actually before you did this, I would say make a perfect bounding box for every single piece of text because your bounding box is going to make the letters bigger or smaller. It's a whole thing. So, and then but you could frame a mesh like this. If you went through the trouble of doing that, you could take a sphere here and then make polymesh 3D, and then you could either do a slice circle, square center, or you could do like a slice curve, and then frame any of these ones to get a perfect circle, and then just frame your text on there. It's kind of a, I don't know, there might be a more elegant solution than those, but